What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm your girl, TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Y'all, it's June, and the boxes have started rolling in already. And today's box on the platter boo is Glow Addict Beauty Box. This one came really early, so I'm excited to open it and see what we got. So if you guys want to see what I have in June's Glow Addict Beauty Box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, my loves? Welcome. Happy hump day. Happy Wednesday. Y'all, it's already June and the boxes have started rolling in. I have 2 mystery boxes that I ordered and I'm excited for them. I hope they hurry up and come so I can unbox them for you guys. Before we get any further into this video, I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from Monday's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for waking up early and watching the video and partying with your girl. Today, guys, I have some pineapple wine that I got from a local guy in my area. He makes Moscatos and wines and stuff, so I'm testing this out. I know it's gonna be strong, but it's okay. We don't mind a little strong on a Wednesday, right? Absolutely. So we're gonna take a dance break and a drink break really quick, and then we're gonna get this box open. Yeah. Ooh. It's strong, but it's very good. Nice and sweet, just like I like it. On the platter today, we have Glow Addict Beauty Box for the month of June. We're gonna go over some quick specs and then we're gonna unbox it. Glow Addict Beauty Box is an $18.99 per month beauty subscription. You do have to pay shipping based on your location. You get 5 to 7 beauty products each month. And it's supposed to have a minimum value of $80 if I'm not mistaken. They also have a beauty bag as well as a skincare bag. I will put their link down below if you guys want to check them out. If you use the code TONYA10, you will get 10% off of your very first box. So yeah, guys, it also works on sale items as well on their site. So without further ado, boo, let's get this box on and popping. You need a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. All right, my loves, I already opened the box to see if we had a card, which we did not, but I wrote down everything that's in the box as well as prices. So you know I'm going to put them down on the screen and do a total towards the end. That's what she's looking like on the inside, guys. So first up, I'm seeing in this bubble wrap, we have a sponge. And this sponge is from who? Beauty by a Bird, microfiber velvet sponge, and this is what it looks like, guys. It's got this nice flat edge here, soft. It does feel very velvety and soft. I don't know, I think I've used sponges like this in the past, and I don't remember my thoughts on this. I think it was very hard to blend out my concealer with this, but I'm gonna try this one out and see. Y'all know I don't really know how I feel just having like a little sponge thrown in here. Without it being like in a box, just bubble wrap. That's kind of, I don't really care for that too much, if I'm being honest, guys, but I will wash it and clean it first and then use it on my face. So this sponge right here retails for $14.99. Next up, I am seeing these lashes have been in Glow Addict for the last 3 months, I think. I'm almost certain. And these are from Aloha, and this is a penny for your thoughts lashes here. That's what they look like. I have received numerous pairs of these from this company, and this is how they look. They're very pretty lashes, very natural, but Glow Addict, it's time to change up the lashes and give us something else. And these guys retail for $14.99 as well. I do like these lashes, but I mean, I've gotten them so much in the past that I'm kind of like, you know, over it. I want some more dramatic lashes, well, fuller lashes. Next up, we have from, who is this from? Let's see. Oh, God. Girl, I can't see that. It says a CBD coffee lip scrub from Wait, is this Good Days? I don't know. GEWD WD, I'm not sure what that is, Days 25 milligram CBD coffee scrub. It's a lip scrub, and this is how the outside packaging is looking, my loves. And when we open it up, it doesn't have a safety seal. Oh God, it smells just like a coffee, like those iced vanilla coffees. Oh, it smells really good, guys. And this is what it looks like inside of it. And let me see if I can, oh, it's very hard. I don't know if you're supposed to wet it. Oh no, here it is. Girl, it really smells like coffee. Oh my God. It does feel like it has a little bit of like brown sugar. That's the texture, like a brown sugar. It's not very, very hard. I like a scrub that's not really, you know, really rough on the lips. This seems like it'll be nice and hydrating and, you know, scrubbing. So I will give this a try, and let's see what this baby retails for. And this, guys, is the, I'm gonna say it's Good Days 25 milligram CBD lip coffee scrub, and it retails for $13. Next up, we have Firm and Lift, the lower lift, JJ Young. What is this? Customized upper and lower sheet mask for your skin. So this is, let's see, a Firm and Lift one, face mask. After cleansing, prepare the skin with toner. Take out the sheet mask and apply on the face, starting from the center. Stretch out the sheet to fit the face and place the ear loops around your ear. Pull up the sheet hanging below the chin. Okay, you leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Okay. Alrighty, cool. Okay, so this is a skin mask from JJ Young. This is what it looks like, guys. Very, very, very cute packaging. And you do get one mask up in here. It's an upper and lower face mask. When it says the lower lift, I thought it was talking about like the lower, like the, you know, the V word lift. That's what I thought, but okay. Gotcha, it's a face mask. Oh my God. And let's see what this retails for, y'all. Especially with the little, I don't know. Okay, so this is the JJ Young V lower lift sheet mask, and it retails for $13.41. That's a weird price, isn't it? $13.41. Okay. And the last up in this month's box, guys, we have a palette. And this one is from Medusas Makeup, and it's the Electro eyeshadow palette, and it does have a plastic on it, so I'm going to get my scissors so that we can open this up. And of course I can't find them, so I'll just use these tweezers right there. I don't think I've ever tried eyeshadows from Medusas before. Girl, we got a mirror. Hey boo. And these are some very little pans. It does come with this plastic. These are some very little pans, and here are the colors in the palette. These are very beautiful, vibrant, pretty colors. I should have used this on my eyeshadow bingo video because these do appear to be a little bit more pigmented and vibrant. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm not sure of what I will do with this. It is a very beautiful palette, but this color scheme really doesn't speak to me. If it does, I will definitely do a first impressions video with this palette, but I'm not sure yet. So I don't want to touch it just in case I don't use it. But some of the names are Feminist. This one is Feminist, Stiletto, Galaxy, White Hot. So it's a very pretty palette. So we won't swatch it. I'm going to see what I'm going to do with this, guys. And let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the Medusas Makeup Electric Palette, and it retails for $24. Okay, my loves, that was my final product in this month's Glow Addict. We're going to quickly recap final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Medusas this Electro eyeshadow palette, from JJ Young this face mask, from Aloha these eyelashes here, from Good Days the CBD lip scrub, and from Beauty by a Bird, this microfiber sponge here. 5 products for this month. Final thoughts on this month's box. So I thought for this month, Glow Addict did a pretty good job. I'm not really feeling the sponge just being kind of like in there without no covering or container, nothing. But I do love receiving sponges. I do like the lip scrub. It's nice. It doesn't feel very harsh. The lashes are but I do like the face mask as well as the palette. So 4 out of 5, I would think is not a bad box at all. Am I super thrilled over these products? They're okay. I'm not like jumping for joy, but I do not think that it was a bad box. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this box, and let me know if you think $18.99 is worth it for this box. The total for all of the contents of this month's box was $80.39. So let me know. Last month they blew it out the park for me. This month was just, you know, kind of okay. I will leave last month's video in the link below so that you guys can check it out if you haven't seen it. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw in the damn dumpster. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying? We're going to give Glow Addict for the month of June a solid 3 for this month. It was a decent box. It wasn't just something that I was overly joyed about. So a 3 is a good, I think that's a good rating. Let me know down below, guys, what you think. Again, if you have not subscribed to your girl, you're sleeping. You need to wake the hell up and go on and subscribe to your girl. Be a part of my bomb-ass subscriber squad. Also, guys, we're almost at 3,000. I'm very excited for that. We will do some sort of giveaway once I hit 3,000 subscribers. I'm so excited for that, guys. If you have not done so, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those links are down below. I'm not really too active on Facebook, really not at all, guys. I have it down there, but, you know, I'm not really active on Facebook. That's all that I have for today. Cheers, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy your Wednesday, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed, stay prayed up, stay healthy and safe, and I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. Bye, guys.